Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipops in the microwave. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. You'll also need lollipop sticks, a silicone mold or parchment paper, and your chosen flavorings and food coloring. This simple method makes delicious treats quickly and easily, perfect for a fun kitchen project. Now let's get cooking. In a large, microwave-safe bowl, combine your 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir gently to mix everything. Microwave the mixture on high for 3 to 5 minutes, or until it comes to a rolling boil. Carefully remove, stir, and then return it to the microwave, heating until it reaches exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. Once your candy mixture reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, carefully remove it from the microwave. This is where the fun begins. Quickly stir in a few drops of your desired food coloring and 1 teaspoon of your chosen flavoring. Work fast, as the mixture cools quickly. Then, carefully pour the hot candy into your prepared silicone molds or onto parchment paper, placing a lollipop stick into each one. Let your lollipops cool undisturbed for at least 20 minutes, or until they are completely hardened. Once firm, carefully remove them from the molds or peel them off the parchment paper. They're now ready to enjoy. These homemade treats are a fantastic way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy lollipop making.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.